Are you looking for the best infrared sauna blankets? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best infrared sauna blankets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LifePro RejuvaWrap Infrared Sauna Blanket. Why we love it. Although almost $400, this investment-worthy sauna blanket instantly relaxed our tester Michelle's sore muscles and anxious mind and gave her a blissful sleep every evening she used it. It's compact, too. Even in her tiny NYC apartment, she could neatly fold and slide it under a small dresser. Since the brand crafts the blanket from non-toxic, waterproof faux leather with layers of flexible cotton underneath, the product is easy to clean. These features prevent our tester from feeling overly sweaty, especially since it also has hand armholes, which she utilized to read or scroll on her phone during the treatment. Michelle also loved the effortless setup process. She just rolled it out, plugged it in, and set the timer to 20 minutes. Who it's for, sauna blanket novices, like Michelle, will appreciate the LifePro's intuitive setup and thoughtfully included accessories like a head towel, a carrying bag, and a pack of 5 disposable detox wraps to lay in for an ultra-sweaty session. Frequent saunagoers may wish the temperature went even higher, but the range should appease most users overall. Material: polyurethane leather, waterproof Oxford fabric, temperature range, 77 to 176 degrees, heating zones, 1, automatic shut-off, yes, settings, 8 settings with timer up to 1 hour, dimensions, 71 by 31 inches unfolded, weight, 18 pounds, storage case, yes, closure, zipper. Number 2. LifePro Sauna Blanket. Why we love it. If you want the spa-like treatment without those spa membership prices, consider the LifePro BioRemedy Infrared Sauna Blanket. Our tester Elena can confidently say that her sweat levels were through the roof, and when she got a little too warm, she easily unzipped the splits on the blanket's side to give herself some air. And thanks to the long cord, she could use this big sleeping bag-style blanket basically everywhere, on the living room floor, sofa, and even her bed. Her only wish was that the material was softer. It felt a little plasticky. Who it's for, we'd recommend this blanket to anyone who isn't afraid to sweat. For a more affordable price than other options, it still gets very warm. In fact, it could be a little too intense for those very sensitive to heat. It's also easily foldable, making it a suitable option for those in small spaces. Material: polyurethane leather, waterproof Oxford fabric, temperature range, 77 to 176 degrees, heating zones, 1, automatic shut-off, yes, settings, 3 settings with timer up to 1 hour, dimensions, 71 by 71 inches, weight, 10 pounds, storage case, yes, closure, zipper. Number 3. HigherDose Infrared Sauna Blanket. Why we love it. Everyone knows exercise-induced endorphins make you happier and uplifted. However, the pain from particularly strenuous workout sessions isn't so pleasant. Our tester Erica relied on this sleeping bag-sized blanket to warm her chilly bones during frigid NYC winters and soothe fatigued muscles after her intense weightlifting sessions. The indents throughout the blanket were a nice touch. Erica could pull her arms to relax without overheating or feeling claustrophobic and zipped up too tight. Who it's for, this smaller blanket warms up quickly, so you can jump into it and instantly feel effects. Since it evenly distributes heat throughout the blanket rather than focusing on specific zones, we'd recommend it for anyone looking for a full-body experience. Material: non-toxic PU leather body with amethyst and tourmaline crystals, temperature range, 60 to 158 degrees, heating zones, 1, automatic shut-off, yes, settings, 9 settings with timer, dimensions, 71 by 71 inches unfolded, weight, 18 pounds, storage case, yes, closure, zipper. Number 4. MiHIGH Infrared Sauna Blanket by Gravity. Why we love it. The impressive temperature range, 95 to 167 degrees, was great for our in-style sauna newbie Abby, who started at a moderately hot temperature and worked her way up. She flipped between temperatures quickly and easily when she got too warm. During each sweat session, Abby could just slide into the amazingly spacious blanket and stretch out, after setting the timer, close her eyes, and not worry about a thing, thanks to the automatic shut-off once the session was over. Who it's for: if you're the type to go from warm to hot in a flash, you'll love the wide range of temperature settings on this sauna blanket. There are 9 heat levels with temperatures from 95 to 167 degrees, making this blanket great for sauna aficionados and beginners. Although the attached straps and carrying case make it convenient for transport, it's a little bulkier than other options we tested. Material: polyurethane leather exterior, waterproof fabric interior. Temperature range: 95 to 167 degrees. Heating zones: 1. Automatic shut-off, yes. Settings: 9 settings with timer up to 1 hour. Dimensions: 71 by 77 inches. Unfolded. Weight: 20 pounds. Storage case: yes. Closure: zipper.